Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. You're watching 412 PSC Customs here on YouTube. For those of you who don't know, my name's Matt Sr. I'm the founder and CEO of 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs, here operating out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So I'm trying to do a line of videos kind of showcasing a little bit more in regards to the equipment that we offer, aside from the LED emergency lights that everybody knows that we offer, we sell, we install. As an emergency vehicle builder, as a custom utility and service vehicle builder, you'll sometimes hear me say, big or small, we do it all. No job too big, no job too small. So the reason I say that is it kind of speaks to our industry experience, our industry knowledge and expertise. That's not just a catchy phrase that I use. It's absolutely 100% the truth. You can come to us with a project, no matter what it is, how big, how small, we can get it done. If you're looking for something specific, you're looking for some equipment you can't find elsewhere, odds are we have it, or we can definitely get it or find a replacement that's very similar to fit your application. So the last video I just did showcased one of our backup camera systems from Zone Defense. Now that camera, as I explained, is specifically going into a mechanic's truck that works, it's a service truck. He works for a construction company that we have a large amount of vehicles to equip for them. And this here is what he chose as the mount. Now, of course, there's so many different mounts out there that you can go with. So I'll explain the scenario real fast. He has a brand new Peterbilt service body truck. Now, in this truck, the passenger seat of his truck has the battery box at the bottom. It's built on a steel box, basically. And as he explained, that seat's really not going to be used for riders. So we're kind of building that seat into an equipment stand per se. So what he wanted to do was, he didn't want his backup camera mounted up on the dashboard, because in his previous truck, for him, it was an obstacle. It was a blind spot, created a blind spot for him. So he came to us and said, is there any way to get it off of my dashboard? And of course, we went through many variations of mounts and equipment. This is the one that we came up with. It worked well for the application. Now, Havas has a lot of mounts that would have worked in this application, but he decided to go with a set of mounts made by Ram. Ram Mounts is a company that manufactures in the US, and this is a side mount articulating arm. I'll explain this to you real fast. Here's the side mount. So how this is going to work is, this little thingy doodad pipe will mount at the base of his passenger seat. It's going to mount right to the steel box that makes up the bottom of his passenger seat. Then what's going to happen is, this articulating arm that you see here, this will be slid down in here. Now I have that tightened on, so it's not going to slide in. I apologize, I should have loosened that for visual. And this here will swivel any which way he wants it to. And then we have a ball mount on the end. Now that ball mount is going to accept any variation of the ball mounts from Ram This one, I believe, is the specific one that he went with. So what will happen is we will mount this on here, and then the monitor mount will mount to this plate, and he is going to have complete full range of movement for that monitor. That monitor can be put into in a fixed position where he may keep it the whole time he operates the truck, or if he so chooses, he will have the ability to maneuver that monitor in and out of his way the full time he operates that vehicle. Now, of course, this isn't just one part number. This is a variation of 4 or 5 different Ram mount part numbers, and that's one of the great things about Ram mounts, is you can kind of go through their catalog of options and build a mount specifically for you, specifically for your application, or specifically for your equipment. Ram mounts, I think, is specifically popular for one of their universal laptop mounts that we sell a gazillion of. The majority of their stuff is manufactured right here in the US. I don't want to say 100% of their stuff is manufactured in the US, because I'm sure somebody will challenge me to that, because I really don't know that 100% of their stuff is, but pretty much every piece of equipment we've ever ordered, we've ever sold, we've ever had in our hands was manufactured in the US, had a stamping on it. So they are a US company, manufactured, most of their stuff, let's say, is manufactured in the US. And again, one of the equipment options that we offer. So like I say, big or small, we do it all. If you guys have a project that you're not real sure how to get done, give us a call. Our experts will definitely help you out, get you on the right track, and get you set up with the exact perfect equipment for your application. There you have it. Very specific Ram mount for an application that was brought to us to figure out, and just another equipment option that we offer. That's why we tell everybody we're a one-stop shop. You won't have to go anywhere else once you visit us. If you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please share this with your family, your friends, your co-workers, your fellow first responders, everybody in the volunteer fire department, everybody in the police force. Share our videos. There's always a first responder or a service personnel out there that can benefit from our services, our equipment offerings, our LED warning light options. If you haven't already, we ask that you subscribe to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe to the channel, please smash that bell icon. That will ensure that you will not miss when we upload. We don't upload on a regular basis, and I apologize for that. That really kind of hinges on me and the schedule at the shop with the whole COVID thing and the shop getting back to work here. Things have been real crazy, so I haven't had as much time to facilitate these videos as normal. But we're getting back at it, so you can definitely look forward to a lot more videos. We're going to have a lot more install videos coming up, as we got written consent from this construction company to showcase and publish all the builds. Until next time, guys, be safe out there.